Sparring, the last day, kumusta yung kumbaga accomplishment now that towards the end part of your training?
I feel good. Right now, nalaman ko na-confirm ko na kaya-kaya ko kahit ilang round. Although 8 rounds lang yung sparring namin, but considering cut down na ako sa mga pagkain ng kunti, but hindi naman kailangan na mag-dosing kasi alam ko naman na kaya-kaya ko na. Nag-miss na ako, nagbabago. At confident talaga ako na kahit ilang round pa, kaya ko. So,
how about the weight? Parang it was discussed before na parang baka you're having problems sa making 112, but up to this point, 1 week away from the fight.
Well, I think every fighter go through the weight issue, di ba? But it all comes down to, alam ko na talaga na makukuha ko yung weight. Wala akong doubt na hindi ko makukuha. Although, maybe the last few days, medyo hard na yung cut down sa pagkain. But overall, ever since pa sa first defense ko, you know, I mean, I went down to 112, diba? Galing na 180, 115. So, of course, I'm gonna have that little hill that I have to, pero hindi naman na malaking problema yun.
And
regular lang yun.
First time to train without your father, but with 2 world champions working with you. Is it hard? Parang yung...
Hindi naman. One thing is, I've been used to training everywhere, every places. So they sent me to Europe, they sent me to, when I went to Hawaii, Vegas, iba-iba yung trainer ko. So maraming na catch up with other guys. But of course, my dad was always with me. But with the Peñalosa brothers, especially with Odin Boyd, pababait sila eh. So for me, they're like my father. They're like my parents. You know, they're like my because they look out for me. You know, alam ko na I fully 100% trust them with my life going to that ring, and I know that they will take care of me whatever situation it is. We've gotten really close, and you know, it all comes down to just becoming a family with them, and hindi naman ako nahirapan. Actually, maganda yung marami akong nalaman sa kanila. So, you know, how to be a good person, how to be a good fighter, how to be a smart fighter. So, I've learned a lot from them. Not just inside the ring, but outside the ring as well.
There's this parang nagging perception that you and Brian are rivals, but now you'll be fighting under one same card in a historic place. Both are definitely proud as Filipinos. Do you have now that concern for Brian? Now hopefully he can win this fight.
We're actually having dinner in a few days, or tomorrow actually. Tomorrow we're having dinner, and you know, just hang out for a little bit, show him around here. You know, I know how Solis fights, fought my brother, and one thing is that all I can do is give him advice on how to take Solis down when we talk in dinner. One thing is that I wish him the best. I hope he trained really hard, and I hope he gets this one, you know, as much as I have to get over my opponent. So one thing is that there is really no rivalry. It's all about talk. It's all about because we fought in the amateur before. But other than that, you know, it was just something that a fighter gets to. You know, they may be friends, but everybody fights, diba? When they both get on top. So, you know, that's what it all comes down to. But one thing is that tutulungan ko siya na makuha yung style ni Solis, even though from just my words.